How to put Nintendo Switch Fortnite account on PS5. Today, I'll be showing you how to link your Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to your PS5. This way, you can carry your progress and skins across both consoles. So let's get into it. First, open Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch and make sure you're logged into your Epic Games account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your Epic Games credentials. Now grab your PS5 and head to Fortnite. If you haven't linked your PSN account yet, you'll need to do this. Go to Fortnite's main menu, then navigate to the account section. You should see an option to link your Epic Games account with your PlayStation network. Now, if you're already logged in with your Epic Games account on the Switch, this step will just prompt you to sign into your account or confirm linking. Now, once you've linked your accounts, you may need to verify it. After confirming it, all your skins, progress, and purchases will be available on your PS5. Now you're good to go. Your Fortnite account is fully linked to both your Nintendo Switch and PS5. Now you can pick up where you left off, no matter which console you're playing on. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Nintendo Switch account to your PS5.